Welcome back to my channel, where we simplify healthcare and pharma for students, professionals, and the curious minds out there. Today's topic is one that often confuses many. What's the real difference between medical devices and pharmaceuticals? Let's clear it up, once and for all. Definition: basic concept: pharmaceuticals, or drugs, are substances you take into your body, like tablets, capsules, injections, designed to chemically interact with your biological system to prevent, treat, or cure diseases. On the other hand, medical devices are instruments or machines. Think of thermometers, pacemakers, X-ray machines, or even contact lenses, that diagnose, prevent, or treat diseases without being chemically metabolized in your body. Sounds simple, right? But let's go deeper. How they work, mode of action. Here's a key difference. Pharmaceuticals work through chemical or metabolic actions. Imagine taking a paracetamol. It reduces fever by affecting your body's chemistry. Medical devices, on the other hand, work through physical or mechanical means. For example, a heart stent keeps blood vessels open, not by reacting chemically, but by physically holding space. Regulatory pathways. Pharmaceuticals and devices also have very different approval paths. Drugs go through preclinical studies, multiple phases of clinical trials, and strict reviews by regulatory bodies like the FDA or EMA. It's a long, expensive, and detailed process. Medical devices follow a tiered classification system: Class 1, low risk, to Class 3, high risk. For low-risk devices, approval is often quicker. High-risk devices, like pacemakers, still undergo clinical trials, but the testing differs from drugs. And here's something interesting: pharma products need to prove efficacy. Devices just need to prove safety and intended function. Classification examples: headache, for pharmaceuticals, paracetamol tablet, and medical devices TENS therapy machine. Diabetes, for pharmaceuticals, insulin injection, and medical devices glucometer, insulin pump. Cardiac issues, for pharmaceuticals, beta blockers, and medical devices pacemaker, ECG monitor. Infection, for pharmaceuticals, antibiotic capsule, and medical devices syringe, catheter. You can see, for many conditions, both pharmaceuticals and devices play complementary roles. Treating diabetes. You'll need insulin, a drug, and a glucometer, a device. It's like Batman and Robin, both essential in their own way. Business industry differences. Now let's talk business. The global pharmaceutical market is worth over $1.4 trillion. The medical device industry is smaller, but growing fast, over $500 billion. Pharma R&D is more costly and risky, but devices can have shorter development cycles. Pharma sales rely heavily on prescriptions and patents, while devices often involve sales reps, demos, and tenders to hospitals. Career opportunities. If you're exploring a career in healthcare, here's some insight. In pharma, roles include clinical research, regulatory affairs, medical science liaison, quality control. In devices, you might work in biomedical engineering, product development, technical support, hospital training, sales. Both industries need quality, compliance, innovation, and people like you. Real-world example. Let's take the COVID-19 pandemic as an example. To fight the virus, we needed vaccines and antivirals, pharmaceuticals, ventilators, oxygen concentrators, and PPE, medical devices. Both arms of healthcare work together to save lives. This real-world example shows why understanding both sectors is critical. Closing. Summary: call to action. So, to summarize, pharmaceuticals, chemical action, internal treatment; medical devices, physical support, diagnosis, or monitoring; different regulations, different development processes, but same goal: better healthcare. Did this clear up the difference for you? If yes, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Pharma Show by Seji, and share this with your fellow students or colleagues. Got more questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts.